Picture this. It's the end of a long day. The kind of day that seems to stretch on forever, where every minute feels like an hour. You've been counting down the seconds until you can finally step through your front door and leave the chaos of the outside world behind. You and your partner are both exhausted. The weight of the day is etched into your faces, your shoulders slumped with fatigue. You collapse onto the couch, hoping for just a moment of peace. Work was demanding, the commute was brutal, and the grocery store was packed. The office was a whirlwind of deadlines and demands, the traffic a never-ending sea of brake lights, and the grocery store a maze of crowded aisles and long lines. You walk through the door, and the last thing you want to face is the mountain of dishes in the sink and the stack of mail threatening to topple over. The kitchen is a battlefield of dirty dishes, and the counter is buried under a mountain of unopened mail. Now imagine your partner feeling the weight of the day just as heavily as you are, looking around at the same scene. She's just as tired, just as overwhelmed, and the sight of the mess only adds to her stress. She might be thinking about the laundry that needs folding, the pile of clothes that seems to grow larger by the day, the bills that need paying, the stack of envelopes that never seems to get any smaller, or the kids' lunches that need packing, the endless task of making sure they have everything they need for the next day. It's a recipe for tension, a breeding ground for resentment. The stress of the day, combined with the mess at home, can easily lead to arguments and frustration. But what if, instead of adding to the weight she carries, you took some of it away? What if you decided to be the one to lighten the load, to make things just a little bit easier for her? What if, without a word being said, you rolled up your sleeves and started loading the dishwasher? Imagine the relief on her face, the gratitude in her eyes, as she sees you taking the initiative to help out. Small acts of kindness can make a world of difference. By taking on some of the household chores, you're not just cleaning up the kitchen, you're showing your partner that you care, that you're in this together. And in doing so, you create a more peaceful, harmonious home. A place where both of you can unwind and recharge, free from the stress and clutter that once weighed you down. So next time you walk through that door, remember that a little effort can go a long way. By sharing the load, you're not just making the house cleaner, you're making your relationship stronger. Together, you can create a home that's not just a place to live, but a sanctuary where both of you can find comfort and joy. Because at the end of the day, it's the little things that matter the most, the small gestures of love and support that turn a house into a home. Often, our partners aren't looking for us to read their minds. They don't expect us to have a magical ability to know exactly what they need or want at every moment. Instead, they hope for something much deeper and more meaningful. They're looking for us to see their hearts, to understand their emotions, their fears, and their dreams. They want us to be attuned to their silent pleas, and to respond with empathy and compassion. They're looking for us to recognize their unspoken needs and step up to meet them, not out of obligation, but out of love. This means noticing when they're overwhelmed and offering a helping hand, or sensing when they need a moment of joy and surprising them with a small gesture. When we wait for our partners to ask for help, we miss the opportunity to demonstrate our love in a way that speaks volumes. We miss the chance to show that we are truly present and engaged in the relationship. We miss the chance to be their safe harbor, their haven from the storm. In those moments of unspoken need, we have the power to provide comfort and security, to be the anchor that keeps them grounded. Think about it. How much more meaningful is a gift that you receive unexpectedly than one you had to ask for? The surprise element adds a layer of thoughtfulness and care that can't be replicated by simply fulfilling a request. The same principle applies to acts of service in a relationship. When we take the initiative to do something kind or helpful without being prompted, it shows that we are attentive and considerate of our partner's needs. It's the difference between duty and devotion, between fulfilling an obligation and expressing genuine care. It's about going beyond the bare minimum and striving to make our partners feel truly cherished and valued. In the end, it's these small, unspoken gestures that build the foundation of a strong and loving relationship. They create a sense of connection and understanding that words alone cannot convey. So let's strive to be more attuned to our partner's unspoken needs. Let's make an effort to show our love through actions, not just words. Because it's in these moments of silent understanding that true love is found. We often underestimate the power of small gestures, but in the tapestry of a relationship, it's the small threads that create the most intricate and beautiful designs. These seemingly minor actions are the glue that holds the fabric of love and companionship together, weaving a story of care and affection that words alone cannot express. Taking out the trash without being asked, a task that might seem mundane and routine, can actually be a powerful act of love. It shows that you are willing to take on responsibilities, no matter how small, to make your partner's life a bit easier. Making the bed in the morning, a simple act that sets the tone for the day, can be a gesture of care and consideration. It signifies that you value a shared, orderly space, and that you are willing to contribute to the comfort and well-being of your home. Or picking up her favorite coffee on your way home from work might seem like insignificant acts, but they carry a profound emotional weight. This small gesture shows that you are thinking of her even when you are apart, and that you know and remember the little things that bring her joy. These gestures say, "I see you. I appreciate you. I want to make your life a little bit easier." They are silent affirmations of love and respect, small tokens that speak volumes about your commitment and affection. They communicate thoughtfulness, consideration, and a deep understanding of your partner's needs. Listening attentively, engaging in meaningful conversations, and being present in the moment are all ways to show that you truly care. They demonstrate that you're not just sharing a house, you're sharing a life, and you're invested in making that life together as joyful and harmonious as possible. Whether it's cooking a meal together, decorating your home, or planting flowers in the garden, these activities create shared memories and strengthen your bond. They are the building blocks of a happy, fulfilling relationship where both partners feel valued and loved. Let's translate this into concrete actions. Imagine coming home to find your partner stressed about an upcoming work presentation. Instead of retreating to your phone or the television, offer to proofread her slides or listen to her practice her speech. If she's been feeling under the weather, draw her a warm bath, make her a cup of tea, and fluff up her pillows. These acts of service, these expressions of love, don't require grand gestures or expensive gifts. They simply require a willing heart and an observant eye. Now, I know what you might be thinking. I'm not perfect. I'm gonna mess up. I'm gonna forget things. And you know what? That's okay. We all do. The goal isn't to become a mind reader or to never make a mistake. The goal is to cultivate a heart of service, a willingness to go the extra mile, to show up for your partner in ways big and small, even when it's inconvenient, or when you'd rather be doing something else. In my book, The 5 Love Languages, I talk about the different ways people give and receive love. While some people feel most loved through words of affirmation, others feel most loved through acts of service. For those whose primary love language is acts of service, taking initiative in the relationship isn't just a nice gesture, it's a love language. It's a way of speaking directly to their heart. When you consistently demonstrate your love through these acts of service, you create a ripple effect. Your partner feels seen, appreciated, and cherished. This, in turn, strengthens her feelings of love and connection towards you. Love isn't just a feeling, it's a verb. It's an action word. It's about showing up day in and day out and demonstrating your love in tangible ways. Remember that old adage, actions speak louder than words? Never is that truer than in a romantic relationship. You can tell your partner you love her until you're blue in the face. But if your actions don't align with your words, those words will ring hollow. Every time you take initiative in your relationship, every time you choose to act out of love rather than obligation, you're laying a brick in the foundation of trust. You're proving to your partner that you're reliable, that you're there for her, that she can count on you. Not just for the big things, but for the everyday moments that make up a life together. This trust creates a sense of safety and security in the relationship. It allows your partner to let down her guard, to be vulnerable, to be her true self without fear of judgment or rejection. In a world that's constantly vying for our attention, it's easy to become disconnected from the people we love most. We get caught up in our own heads, our own to-do lists, our own desires and ambitions. But when we make a conscious effort to take initiative in our relationships, we're choosing connection over distraction. We're choosing to bridge the gap between ourselves and our partners. These small acts of service become bridges of love and understanding. They remind us that we're not alone, that we're part of a team, that we're in this together. And that, my friends, is a beautiful thing. As you navigate the waters of your relationship, remember this. True love goes beyond grand pronouncements and sweeping gestures. It's found in the quiet moments of everyday life, in the small acts of kindness and consideration that say, I see you, I cherish you, and I'm here for you, always. These small acts of service are the lifeblood of a thriving relationship. They are the unspoken language of love that speaks volumes to our partners' hearts. So, gentlemen, let your actions speak louder than your words. Let your love be seen, felt, and appreciated in every small gesture, every act of thoughtfulness, every moment of every day. I challenge you to think of one small act of service you can do for your partner today, without her asking. It doesn't have to be anything grand or time-consuming, just something simple that will make her day a little brighter and let her know that you're thinking of her. Remember, love is a verb. It's an action word. So go out there and love your partner fiercely, starting with the smallest, most heartfelt